Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Report on the implementation of industrial work practice at VTMC Semetsu Indonesia regarding packing QNB 3041. My name is Cucun Novia and my colleagues Yogi, Husni, Nina, and Amir will present the result of the industrial work practice report at VTMC Semetsu Indonesia regarding packing QNB 3041. To Mr. Bagus Smiling PD and to the audience for giving us the opportunity to deliver a presentation and the result of the industrial work practice report at VTMCE Semetsu Indonesia regarding packing QNB 3041.
The place for the implementation of the apprenticeship at PT MCE Seimitsu Indonesia, metal stamping, tooling fabrication, sub-assembly, and manufacturing components, which is located at Pioji Street, Kosambi Street number 3, Duren, Subdistrict Kleri, Karawang District, West Java 41371. The implementation of the internship was carried out on 19 July 2019 to 19 October 2019. PT MCE Seimitsu Indonesia works Monday to Friday, starts at 7 a.m. and leaves at 3 p.m.
The following is the organizational structure at VTMC Semetsu Indonesia, starting from President Director to Furkasi.
Tools and material. Here is tools, palette, box, gloves, safety shoes, hand lift, face mask, airplug, canvas, two-step holder. Material, paper, cutter and thinner, tape.
There is also a work process carried out by the MCE company, which is as follows. First take the goods to be packing from the mechanic and place them on the pallet. Bring the item using the hand lift and bring into the packing room for checking before the packing process begins. Put the item and do the inspection the spare part the goods stop from the bed stop. Items that are not good are thrown away and those that are good are cleaned. Use a cloth and thinner. After cleaning, enter the good into a clean box, each box containing 126 each. After full, put the box on the pallet and arrange into contain 16 box. Then carry the goods using the hand lift for data and loading.
So, conclusion and recommendation are: conclusion, after I did practicing, I got a lot of apprehension and learning in the world of work. Recommendation, teacher, and especially to always provide motivation and guidance to the student of SMK Insan Tazaka.
Many of our presentation hopeful they can be useful knowledge. Apology if there are some things. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.